Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can manage your subscription on Midjourney, which means I will be teaching you guys how you guys can upgrade your plan on Midjourney or buy the premium version of Midjourney, or you can cancel your subscription on Midjourney as well. I will be teaching you guys all these things, and before I show you the steps on how you guys can do these things, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future Midjourney related videos just like this. Now let's move on. The first step is you want to go to the official website of Midjourney, which is midjourney.com, as you guys can see over here. Click on it or just go to midjourney.com. Once you're in its official website, you should be able to log in into your account. Once you log in into your Midjourney account, it's going to bring you to this page. Now once you're in this page, you can see the option called manage sub, which is going to be at the left side. So click on manage sub. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the subscription managing page of Midjourney. So wait for some time until the page loads up. It's going to take a bit of time, okay? And once the page has loaded up, all the plan is going to be shown over here. And if you want to cancel your plan, you can just scroll a bit down and it says where it says cancel plan. You can click on cancel plan and the current plan you currently have will be cancelled when the time is over. So this plan is going to be active until July 18, 2023. Once I click on cancel plan, after July 18, this plan will not be renewed and it will be cancelled. That is what cancel plan does. And if you want to upgrade your plan, just scroll a bit down and it's going to show you all the plan there is over here. Now this is the current plan I have, the basic one. If I want to upgrade to this, I can just click on upgrade plan and upgrade to this plan. Or if I want this, I can just click on upgrade plan and upgrade to the $60 one. Alright, and you can see all the advantage you are going to get with the plan you're going to choose. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can upgrade your plan or cancel your subscription on Midjourney. That's how you guys can manage the subscription on Midjourney. This is the subscription managing page of Midjourney. So hope I was able to help you guys. If I did, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.